Alright, we're gonna make Pirate's treasure chest today. So let's get started. On this part, we're gonna UV unwrap them and we're gonna texture paint it, okay? So select them all except these bolts. Okay, we don't need them. Okay, once you select them, just go to UV unwrap. Okay, just hide them for the moment and select them all. Up to go to edit mode, press U and smart UV project, and let's put the island margin to 30 and press OK. Now we have got this UV unwrap. The next thing is we're gonna go to texture paint mode. Okay, now I'm going to switch my drawing tablet. It's better to use drawing tablet, it will be much easier. However, you can use your mouse also, just follow along. So the first thing, just go to object, just select the one. First we have to select one and go to texture paint. Now let's give it new material and I set the widths and heights to 2K. Okay, just press OK. Now we can draw. All right, the first thing, just give them color. Just go to this fill and let's give it some bluish color, a little bit darker. Yes. Okay, and just press it. Now we got the base color, and before we paint, just let's select them all and give it same color. Go there and base color. Okay, same, and let's give them. Okay, go object, select, go to texture paint mode and give it base color, same, just apply. Yes, now we got the base color. And the next thing, let's select them, this part, and go to texture paint. And by the way, you can save your colors. Just go to color palette and press new and add the plus, so we have this color. And I can change it to something like brighter goldish color, something like this, and plus this. And now we can, all right, so before that we have to give a material, texture material, base color. Okay, same. Okay, now we can apply the color. Okay, it looks bit darker, just make it lighter. Okay, now that looks nice. And let's apply the same thing to the other objects. Go there, select new base color, okay, and give it. Just give the all other objects. Okay, just follow this part. Okay, select this texture paint, give new base color. Okay, and now, and also select this, go to texture paint, give a new base color. Okay, yep, now we have got the base texture colors. The next part, we have to draw it. Just select this and go to texture paint, and this time I'm gonna draw it. So you can see let's select some other colors here, like white, the bluish something, and press 1. Okay, now switch to filter, draw this, and if you press F, you can scale it and scale it up, the brush size. Okay, just go closer. I want to start painting from this side. Okay, just like that, and let's go a little bit closer, and by pressing F to scale the brush size, and that's okay. That looks nice, and let's give it a okay. Just keep drawing like this. I'll just another thing, let's give some this color and just draw it so it looks like a wood drawing. Okay, okay, that looks nice. Further, just save your works. Okay, next thing, just go to object mode, select this one, and go to texture paint mode, and give them this style also. Just move it here so we can see better what we are doing. Next thing, just select this part, go to texture paint, and for this, let's select this, and okay. model is ready. Let's go to layout and press 3. Check if everything is okay. I think I want to give some model here. Let's go. We need the cylinder. Rotate to x-axis and scale it down. Move it here. Shift S, cursor toward origin. Just move it here. Scale it down. S to y-axis. Something like this. Okay. Scale it down. S to scale. Yeah. And just give it shade smooth. And now that I think that looks nice. Let's press 3, Shift A. We're gonna need camera 7 and move it to x-axis somewhere here and press 0. And let's change the camera settings. Just press N to view, check the camera to view, and N, and let's move it up. Let's give a resolution 1200 by 1200. Okay, and ambient occlusion, just turn it on. And the next thing, let's select them all and shift select this one, Ctrl P, keep transforming, and let's rotate a bit like this. Go to viewport shading and let's give it a light. Shift A, go there, and okay, let's select this and 150. Let's go back and move it up a bit and press 7. Duplicate to this side and also to this side, and let's rotate the light direction. Go to texture mode. So let's go saved and shading. Let's okay, just go to layout. Now it's all looking good. And let's give this a material also. Let's give it new material. Let's give this color. Let's give it background color, plain background plane. Just select plane, rotate to x-axis 90 degree and move it back and scale it up a bit like that and press 0. And let's give it new color, something like blue color. Now that looks really nice. I hope you liked the video. If it was useful, please like and share and leave your comments below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.